Hey Randy, this is my signal flow test. So right now I'm setting up the microphone. So yeah, there's the tripod. I'm going into output 2 of the microphone. Alright, perfect. So yeah, so now I'm gonna explain the signal flow and the setup. So I'm gonna explain the contents of the studio first. So there's the headphone preamp, the Prisma's headphone preamp, which is there. This is the C24 desk. That's the audio interface. That's the effects unit, which is the TCM 3000, and that's the power conditioner for everything. Then there is the speakers, which are M audio speakers, and like the PC and the monitors. So now I'm gonna explain the signal flow. So the microphone goes into the XLR unit, which goes into the stage box, which splits into 8 XLRs, which connects to a DB25 cable, which connects into the preamp section of the desk, which further goes via DB25 into the interface into the first 8 analog channels of it, which further goes into the PC via a Digilink cable and to the PCI card via the same sound card, and it comes back out via the Digilink into the monitoring into the interface into the monitoring section of the desk and to the outputs 1 and 3 of the of the speakers. And now I'm gonna now I'm gonna explain you the I/O setup. So if you look at the I/O setup, the first 8 channels of the input are on the analog section, are connected by the analog sections of the sound of the interface, and the TCM 3000 is connected via the AES EBU cable of the via a digital connection. And then there is the output section, which is output channel 1 and 3 for the speakers, the 7 and 8 for the headphones, and the TCM 3000 output is connected via the AES EBU via the AES EBU digital connection. And then these are the bus sends, and that's the mix, which is connected left and right to the main. Stop. So yeah, Randy, now I'm gonna explain you the desk. So the desk consists of the faders. This is the monitoring section, and that's the preamp section. And that's the volume for control loom. This one's for the Q sense, and that's for the talkback. This is the talkback mic level. And now I'm gonna record. Now I'm gonna make a click track and a new track for the artist to record. So Command Shift N. And now I'm gonna make the mix output stereo. switch on the fancy power, unmute the thing, and press one. Ziad, can you talk on the microphone? Oh yeah, the input's on too.
1 2 testing, 1 2 3 4 testing. Is working? Yeah. It's not? It is? Yeah.
So I'm now gonna make the headphone cue sense. So can you zoom in? So send, assign, output, more, and then I'm gonna assign the click track, assign output, cue headphones, more volume. Ziad, can you hear yourself?
Yes, I can. I also hear the click track.
Okay, perfect. So I'm now gonna make a stereo aux send for the effects unit. So Command Shift N, make a stereo aux input, and I'm gonna send, assign output of this into the TC output, or yeah. Now select the input on the aux track is the C. Ziad, can you speak?
Okay, testing 1 2, testing 1 2.
Can you hear the reverb?
Here it does yes.
Okay, wait. I haven't sent you the reverb yet.
Yeah.
So aux 1. Ziad, try speaking and see if you can hear the reverb.
Okay. Oh,
yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we have communications. Can you talk for a bit so that I can get optimum like gain structure? Okay, perfect. So I'm now gonna record.
Should I continue?
So now I'm gonna record. So Ziad, I'm gonna give you a click track and you're gonna record from 1 to 10.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna record you. Yeah, so record arm and play.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Yeah. So now, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put an EQ insert. So can you zoom in here? So I on my main track. So assign plug in EQ. Yeah.
2, 3,
So I'm gonna put a mid frequency curve.
2, 3, 4, 2, 3,
And I'm gonna drop some of the high gain, high frequency.
4, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah. So I put an EQ curve on it, like just a basic one. I'm now gonna import a track and open. Intro. Mix.
Cambridge to Boston.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm now gonna put a send. Just send this to bus 1 and 2 to my bus 1. And volume up. And I'm gonna insert assign plugin a compressor, so dynamic compressor, and I'm gonna put the sidechain on and put the sidechain key to bus 1. So
Cambridge to Boston. Cambridge to Boston.
yeah, so I put a compressor on.
Cambridge to Boston. Is in a world she's lost in. Victim of compromise.
So yeah, now I'm gonna
Cambridge to Boston. Is in a world she's lost in. Victim.
yeah. So now I'm gonna bounce the file, and I'll be done with it. So bounce to disk. So I achieved like a minus 6 dB level. So bounce it to 16 bits, and choose destination. So I'm just bouncing it on the student folder. And I bounce. So I'm using an offline bounce so that I can, sorry, I'm using an online bounce instead of an offline bounce so that I can hear my track properly. And is there something wrong? Offline bounce means it doesn't play the track when I'm bouncing it, and it's generally faster, but it's always preferred to do an online bounce.
Cambridge to Boston. Is in a world she's lost in. Victim of compromise. He's staring at her Aberdeen heart. London.
Yeah. So it's done. So now I'm gonna minimize. Open student folder. Uh, in the strap. And it's playing properly. Where you can hear it. Okay, thank you. That's my submission. So now I'm gonna do the pre-roll and post-roll for recording again. So I'm gonna say command 1, and so
two, three, one,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So yeah. So content of 2 bars. Content of 2 bars. Pre-roll and post-roll. Pre-roll and post-roll are active. And so Zia, you're gonna record 7, 8, and 9 again. And I'm gonna give you a 2-bar pre-roll post-roll. That's fine?
three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.